First stop McDonald's, breakfast included in the price of the tour. Nice one. Next stop Hoover Dam.
Yeah.
There's two of them here now. Don't get in the wrong one. Make sure we get in the right one.
Yeah.
Load it up out here. This bridge was completed in October of 2010 to bypass Hoover Dam traffic. Prior to the completion of this bridge, the only way you could cross over this portion of the state between Arizona and Nevada was on top of the Hoover Dam, and you could expect anywhere from a 1 to 7 hour wait.
Arrived at the Hoover Dam on our Grand Canyon tour.
These are the two guys the bridge is named after. This one on the right, Michael Callahan. He was a politician, a war hero, one of the founding fathers of the newspaper in Vegas, the Las Vegas Sun. This guy, Pat Tillman, was an NFL football player. The Silver State side. The middle of the bridge, the middle of the river down below the bridge is the state line. So half the bridge is in Arizona, the other half is in Nevada. Same with the Hoover Dam itself. I'm here for you guys today, so anytime you want photos, let me know.
Holy shit, that's high. I suppose it has to be if you're going up the Hoover Dam though. Oh my days. So that was the Hoover Dam. Hope you enjoyed it.
We'll be on Route 66, America's Main Street. So guys, you guys like a 15-20 minute stop here. Next stop from here will be the Grand Canyon.
Stopped off on Route 66. Let's go have a look a bit. Some of these hotels are just amazing. It's like the Wild West, old style, Route 66. There's some amazing cafe roadside stops here. Seligman, Arizona. There is also a car out of the film Cars was from this area. I ain't seen Cars for years, so I'll show you it. And then you can let me know if you recognise it, and I'll have a look as well when I get the internet, see if I recognise which one it is. It's been a long time since I've watched Cars, but I can see the truck now. It's one of the trucks actually, pickup truck. And so you'll be able to see the one out of the movie Cars. Oh, it was set on this car anyway. That's the town we're in. Seligman. Seligman? Oh, I'll go. That's the car, pickup truck out of the film Cars.
Did you come up with? Chores you hate doing the most around the house? Well, here's the top 5 in order from 1 to 5. Cleaning the bathroom, ironing, cleaning the gutters, washing the windows, and cleaning
some very authentic cafes there and coffee shops for Route 66. There was a shop just down there. We've only got a 10-minute stop, so we can't walk there. And the cafe on the side of the road was called Roadkill Cafe. I bet you can't guess what they serve there. I'm glad we didn't stop there, actually. I'd been tempted to try something. There's our tour van.
Oh yeah, that's cute. That's colorful.
Back into the van now. Next stop, Grand Canyon.
We're having a lazy day at the Grand Canyon. We speculate there's around 40,000 elk in the national park.
We should see some more then. That's beautiful.
Who wants to go over there and slap one on the butt and get it on video? When animals attack. See?
Yes. Oh no. I was like, what?
And above the train, the top of the hill out there, that's the over 100-year-old El Tovar Hotel. The most popular lodging destination here in the national park. Chevy Chase tried to rob that on movie Vacation trying to cash his check.
So folks, welcome to, wow, the Grand Canyon. Oh my God.
Look at the squirrel.
Don't grab one.
Vamos allí. Puede que si tarde media hora subir.
So our van driver said this will be the worst view we have all day. Apparently this is the worst view we'll have all day. That's not bad, is it? Say this is the worst.
I know it is.
No, just be careful, I don't want your big job.
But it's cute.
There you go, that's a good shot. Now you push the circle.
How cool was that?
Good picture. Well, here, do it again because your hand was in the way.
Why are you trying to mess with me? I got one of the squirrel.
Did you?
Okay, we're now moving on to better views apparently, and it's snowing. It's actually snowing. Can you see the white bits? Not a lot. Very, very slow, but it is snowing. Right, I'm gonna walk back through the guest part. just following our leader. So yeah, we've got a 3-hour trail now through the Grand Canyon, so let's go on the trail.
The Grand Canyon. All right, guys, Grand Canyon, let's go. We're at the south rim of the Grand Canyon, about 7,000 feet up. Over there, that's the north rim of the Grand Canyon. It's about 8,000 feet in elevation. Now, by flight of bird, from here to there, it's 11 miles or 17.7 K by flight of bird from rim to rim. Now, we passed the started the Bright Angel Trail, the most popular hiking trail going in, because since there's no source of fresh water here in the south rim of the Grand Canyon, that's the trail they brought the pipeline with water from the north rim over. So there's water stations along the hike. If you look down below in the crack here, you'll notice some trees. Those are 60 feet or 20 meter tall Fremont cottonwood trees down there. Those little bushes from this elevation. We're over 3,000 feet above those. Now, if you look out all the way out to looks like the trail ends out there, that is a dead end called Plateau Point. Each way, that's a 6 mile or 9.6 K hike. They recommend 12 hours round trip on that one. Now, if you want to hike all the way to the north rim, instead of go out there to Plateau Point, the far side of the tree line, take that right through the crack, fall down to the river, hike along the river 3 miles, cross over a 440-foot long bridge, and then continue through this divide in the canyon 24 miles to the North Rim Lodge. They recommend 4 days in that hike. Now, driving here from Las Vegas, we traveled 275 miles. The Grand Canyon itself is 277 miles long, so that long drive today, we didn't even travel the distance of the Grand Canyon getting here. At its widest point, it's 18 miles wide, and the rim above the river, which you can't see from here, but later today we'll have river views, averages about a mile above the river, about 1.6 K for the entire 277 mile long Grand Canyon. If you were to walk along the rim all the way around the Grand Canyon back to the point you started at, it'd be almost 2,400 miles, almost coast to coast in the U.S. But the views are going to get a little bit, definitely bigger and better throughout the day. We're going to end today with one of the top 10 viewpoints in the U.S. called Hopi Point. We're going to have river views and 180-degree visibility of the Grand Canyon. It'll be nice. As soon as you're on the bend, it'll start opening up to the east and then to the west eventually, and then we'll have a whole view of it. There's a crack all the way through it that divides the canyon here, kind of intersects it. This is actually a fault line. This is right here in the middle of the fault right now, called Bright Angel Fault. So if there's an earthquake right now, we might be out of luck, being that this is the middle of the fault. This is the last point visible here before we go south underground. But you can see how it cracks the whole canyon here. So how many times can you say you've been in the middle of a fault before? So no fault, no trail. That's what they say. Without the fault, there wouldn't be a trail to go down in the Grand Canyon spot. Now this layer of rock that we're on right now here, it's the youngest layer of sediment in the Grand Canyon. It's called Kaibab Formation, the Kaibab Limestone, approximately 270 million-year-old sedimentary rock. And then you have 27 different layers on the way down in. The oldest rock that you can see later.
I think we're going to stop for dinner soon, refuel, and then we have a 3-mile walk. So I'm looking forward to that. That walk's going to be amazing. He just said we stop near the end of the tour on one of the top 10 viewpoints in the USA. Bring it on.
Right.
It's dinner all finished. Now for a 3-mile trek. Whoa, shit. Didn't realise I was that near the edge. And so begins the 3-mile trek. So that's day 9 Las Vegas, not completely finished, but the Grand Canyon part done. And it's a good job because it is just turning freezing. It is really, really cold now. So yep, Grand Canyon done. We're on the trek back now, a 5-hour journey back to Vegas, but hope you enjoyed that bit. That's the Grand Canyon, finished just in time. Oh, perfect timing, here's the van. Snow on the way home.
Just got there. So going in the vacuum.
New York is one in Manhattan is smaller, something like 2,500 square feet. But to give you an example of rent there, for that first couple of years on the rent, and that was $350,000 a year.
So that's the end of day 9 in Vegas, and it's also the end of the Las Vegas vlogs, because that's it. Tomorrow we fly home, and there's no need to film another flying day. We all know what happens. You sit around waiting to go home, you catch a plane, you land, you catch another plane, and you land, well, you hopefully land. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed the Las Vegas daily vlogs. There'll be 9 of them overall. Posted out probably one every 5 days, starting from maybe 3 or 4 weeks. I've got so much to edit, it's unbelievable. And then maybe a week or 2 after that, I'll be posting one every 2 to 3 days on each thing, like the Grand Canyon, Coca-Cola tasting, going to the Paris Tower, casino, just basically just attractions in Vegas. Yeah, but that's it. Thanks a lot for subscribing and following me. Leave me a message, hit the like button, share everything, and if you leave me a comment, I'll get back to you. That's Las Vegas 2016 finished. Bring on Dubai. See you all later.